Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pi symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pi symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open this document here. Now if you are try to insert the symbol by using the insert option, there is no insert symbol option present on the Microsoft Excel mobile, so you just use your keyboard as an alternative. Here I just using Google Keyboard or Gboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. So first of all, click on this number section here, then you just need to click on the extra symbol section by clicking this. Now you can find this pi symbol here. So if you just need a pi symbol with different pi, you just long press it, you will see this pop up, and you can just insert this pi also. So this is how you just insert a pi symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.